Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a collaboration post using Instagram. Now with collaboration posts, you're actually inviting someone to share your content on their profile. So it'll show up in their profile grid on Instagram. It'll also show up in their feed. So what this means as a business owner is that you can potentially expand your reach by not only having your post seen by your followers, but by the followers of the collaborator that you are inviting to post with you. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the plus sign at the top right hand corner of the screen, and I'm going to tap on post. Now I'm actually going to upload the video version of this post. It's a podcast in collaboration with Abby Ashley of the Virtual Savvy. I'm going to go ahead and click next. I don't want to edit this video at all. I don't need to trim it at all. It's good to go. I'm going to hit next. From here, I'm going to paste in my caption that I pre-wrote using Airtable. So just making sure that it's all there and that I do have the right person tagged in the caption. From here, you're going to tap on tag people. And you'll see here at the bottom, it says invite collaborator. So I'm going to tap that and invite the Virtual Savvy to collaborate on this post. I'm also going to tag them in the post, her in the post as well, and click done. A few other things I do like to do. I like to put my location. I'm going to add it to the Savvy Social Podcast series. If you want to edit the cover, you can by pressing and holding. I have found though that this is a little bit glitchy as it kind of crops the cover a little bit. I haven't been able to get it to not crop it on Instagram right now. It's glitchy for me, so I'm skipping that. You can also go here and edit the cover if you want to kind of realign it a certain way, but we're going to keep it as is for now. And that's the video. So I'm going to go ahead and tap share. From here, you'll be able to see it on my profile. So I'm going to go over to the profile and hit refresh. There's the latest video. Now, in order to be posted on the Virtual Savvy, they have to accept that invite. So you'll see here under the video, it says that they haven't accepted it yet. Once they accept it, then it'll show up not only on my profile here, but the exact same post will show up on their profile and will both be tagged in that post. All right, good luck with collaborating on Instagram in this way. Hey, before you go, I've got to tell you about the Instagram Mindset Guide. It's a free resource that's going to help you strengthen your marketing by strengthening your mindset, and I think you'll love it. Grab it at the link that goes with this video, and I'll see you back here with another video very soon. Bye!